A wedding does not get expensive all at once. It gets expensive one beautiful decision at a time. In America, a normal wedding can now cost roughly $33,000 to $36,000. And that number usually does not include every little thing people imagine when they say, "We are getting married." The first big cost is the venue, because before anyone eats or dances, you need a place to put everyone. Then comes catering, and every guest quietly turns into a plate, a drink, a chair, and a service fee. That is why the guest list is not just emotional, it is mathematical. Cut 20 guests and you may not just cut 20 meals, you may cut rentals, drinks, favors, and staff time. Photography and video are next, because once the day is over, the memories become a vendor category. Music adds another layer. A DJ, a band, ceremony sound, microphones, and overtime can all become separate lines. Flowers look delicate, but the bill is not. Bouquets, centerpieces, arches, delivery, and setup all add up. The outfit budget can also grow fast: dress, suit, alterations, shoes, accessories, and cleaning. And before the wedding even begins, the engagement ring may already be a several $1,000 decision. Invitations, save the dates, postage, websites, and stationery feel small until every address needs one. Then there is the cake, dessert table, late-night snacks, and the tiny upgrades nobody planned for. Hair and makeup can become its own mini-schedule, especially when the wedding party is included. Transportation sounds optional until someone needs shuttles, parking, a getaway car, or rides from the hotel. Rentals are another quiet category: linens, chairs, plates, glassware, lighting, tents, heaters, and delivery. The planner or coordinator may save the day, but they still belong in the budget. And then taxes, service charges, and tips arrive like a second bill hiding behind the first one. The rehearsal dinner can feel like a smaller wedding before the wedding. Bachelor and bachelorette trips can push the real wedding season cost far beyond the ceremony itself. Guests feel the cost too, from flights and hotels to outfits, gifts, and time off work. A destination wedding may look dreamy, but it can move costs from the couple to everyone invited. The honeymoon is often not counted in the wedding average, but couples still pay for it from the same life budget. The hardest part is that every upgrade feels emotional: better photos, better food, better flowers, better memories. That is how a budget that starts reasonable can quietly grow by thousands before anyone notices. But averages can be misleading. A backyard wedding and a luxury city wedding are not the same financial planet. The real question is not what weddings cost, it is which parts you actually want to pay for. Because the marriage license is cheap, the expensive part is turning one day into an event. So if a wedding costs more than you expected, you are not bad at planning. You are shopping in an industry built on feelings.